Right, it's nice and dark out, still drizzly, still chilly. Best part about a night like this is that I don't sweat. So it's my favorite time to work on stuff. Now I don't necessarily want to be cold all the time, but we're gonna do injector leak back, and I don't want to break clips. Is it 5? Yes, I have 5 injectors. All right, I'm gonna grab those wild ass pliers I got. I think my double jointed ones will work great for this because you can really kind of squeeze on them quite a bit without actually applying too or like a ton of force. So yeah, they shouldn't really go flying on me. Should probably find a good spot for those other than on the radiator. Ooh, that one almost went away. I wonder if they can go through from the other side so they're easier to pull off. This one, yeah, these ones are the other way right here. It's much nicer. I wonder who put them on that way. Well, if they're not all on in the same direction, that probably means somebody's been in here before, so hopefully these injectors aren't too screwy. Okay, and then apparently these just kind of like pop off. I think that's a better job for pliers again. So I should be able to put one on each side. Nice even pressure. Yeah, it popped right out. One on the end to be a little more. It's kind of scary. They're a little crusty. Nice and gentle. That one's done easy. And this one is a little wiggle, and he's out. And then we're gonna pinch off down here with my vice grips, little skinny ones, and some cardboard, so we don't squirt diesel back at ourselves. That should keep fuel from pouring out. And I need hoses for here. It's 3/8 ID, so I gotta go cut some pieces. I just bought a vinyl hose because it's flexible enough to go over these and seal. Oh, and we need to unplug the cam sensor so the engine doesn't start, which should just be that guy right there. Watch me snap it in half. I push in a little bit just to make sure it's clear. There we go. Cool. So, all right, hoses will be good. Okay, yeah, first one on fits nice and tight over that return port. Now, something to note is that this is not a be-all, end-all test for injectors. This is really a confirmation that you have an injector that's fucked. Just because an injector passes this test doesn't mean it has a good spray pattern, doesn't mean it's not leaking into the cylinder. I'm fairly certain I have one that leaks into the cylinder because I get white smoke on a startup, a cold, quote unquote cold start on a warm day. So it's 80 degrees out and first start of the day, and it smokes like crazy, and it's not coolant. I'm not new to engines, I'm just new to sprinters. It's definitely not coolant burning, which is good. So I'm going to spray these this way. Alright, now the drill is that I'm supposed to crank it for 10 seconds, and if there's more than 1.5 inches in here, fucked for sure. And if we got, really, because I don't know the history of the van, if 2 of them are completely fuckered, we're just replacing them all. I have a feeling that this is going to be pretty bad, but I've been surprised on some of the things so far. Oh. Wow. There's barely anything. I mean, in proportion to what it should be, you're looking, yeah, right here. It's about a foot, right? It's a big 10-inch. But no, that's, I mean, you're looking at a quarter, maybe 3/8 of an inch. There's really not a lot of fluid in those. So, but like I said, it doesn't really mean that they're any good. They are all even. I do like that. I wonder if there's any way to look these things up somehow. That'd be interesting. But I'm really shocked that one of them isn't like going crazy. So maybe someone took pretty good care of this thing, and then over a couple of years it just got let go and it needs to be caught up. That'd be nice.